Hello, this is a new multiplayer third-person shooter game that I'm developing, and this one's going to be called BotMultiFightC. This is an aim offset test. So on the right is the server. I'm going to move that one. I'm going to change the position to the orange sights. Okay, that's working. Okay, so now I'm going to test the client on the left. I'm going to test the orange sight. And that's working. I'm going to test dropping the gun on the server, then picking up on the client. So the server has the gun. I'm going to drop it. Now I'm going to pick it up on the client. Now I'm going to drop it. And that's working correctly.